our process in this Tim Hortons copycat or Tim Hortons Wedges. It's a recreation, and so we need about 500 grams of potato, but I am having about 600 grams, 630 something grams of potato, and so it's about more or less. So for that we need to cut the potatoes first. So dear viewers, these potatoes are washed and dried out, and I'm going to use with skin. I'm not going to peel the skin, so I'm going to use it with the skin. So now let us cut the potatoes. So I'll take the flat part and then saw them down. And then from here we have a half. From here we just slice them like this, approximately about 4 to 5 pieces. And I have some water, cold water, just to throw out the starch, and so same goes with this. And so the rest of the potato, and I'll be back. So dear viewers, now the potatoes are being dipped into the water to remove the starch. For now I will be washing and rinsing them for at least about 3 to 4 times, and then I will be soaking these potatoes for another 15 to 20 minutes. So viewers, the potatoes have been washed and rinsed it several times to remove the excessive starch. So now we are going to soak this potato for 15 minutes. So meanwhile, until then, we will do the next step. So the next step is to infuse all the spices. So I have all the ingredients that I need for the roasted potato or for the wedges. So now we will add all the dry ingredients together. So dear viewers, with the whisk we will mix it up all together before we add the oil. The oil is olive oil, and all the ingredients that I have used here, you can find it in the description box below this video, or you can find it in the beginning of the video where the ingredients are listed down. So this has been mixed well, and now we will add the oil. Olive oils are very expensive, so we shouldn't waste anything. And mix it up well. So dear viewers, the spices are ready. Now we are just got to wait until it gets infused, then until while we prepare the potatoes, so this will get infused. Dear viewers, the potatoes have been soaking in the water for almost 15 minutes. It's a little more than 15 minutes actually. So now we can strain the water and air dry the potatoes. Potatoes are being drained, the starch water, so we'll just arrange them here right now. And then you will let it dry for another 30 minutes. And also meanwhile what you can do, I will bring in another towel and we can pat dry them, and then we can let it dry for another 15-20 minutes. Then after that we will do the next step. So dear viewers, now we can just wipe the potatoes for all the excess water, so that with a clean towel, and then it will be air dried for another 15-20 minutes. Then after that we can mix up the marination and marinate again for another 30 minutes for the potatoes to infuse the spices, and then we can bake. So until then we can also turn on the oven to get ready, so that the oven will be hot enough so for us to put in all the potatoes, the marinated potatoes, into the oven and bake them for the number of minutes that we need to bake. And dear viewers, now it's time to pick up all the dried potatoes and put it in the basin. They've already been well dried. This time we will mix it up well, the oil and all the spices that was mixed up, and now we will add them into the potato. I'll show you like this better. We will enter everything into the potato and we will marinate them for at least about 30 minutes then before we put it in the oven. At this point, we will coat all the potatoes. The spatula is not working well for me. I'm going to use my hands. As long as your hands are clean, please do not be afraid to hesitate to coat the potato with your hands. So make sure that continuously coat them for another few minutes so all the spices get coated into the potato. So I believe it's already been well coated. Let's take the bottom ones. Yep, they are all well coated, and now we will leave it like that for another 30 minutes until we place them into the baking sheet. So dear viewers, now it's time to arrange the potato on the baking sheet, and then we are going to put it in the oven. So I'm getting hungry right now while I'm doing this itself. I wish the potatoes are cooked. I can swallow them like a python. Just make sure that the skin part is placed down. If it falls flat, that's okay, but just make sure that it stands up. There's some extra spices in the bottom, so I'm just mixing it up and then arrange them continuously so that the crispiness will be there because we have added cornstarch. And you don't need to turn around halfway. It's going to cook well, so I'm going to wish you in advance a Bonapetit to you. So I've already added everything, so now it's going to go into the oven. So dear viewers, now it's time to take to the oven. So let's go to the oven and push this into the oven. And dear viewers, our potatoes are kind of done. So here is our potatoes, that Tim Hortons copycat kind of recreation of potatoes. This is the way it has been done, so we will wait for it to cool off a little bit, then we will start. Here is the copycat version or recreation version of Tim Hortons potato wedges. It's not the exact same taste, but it's almost the same over there. So I hope you will try this summer in your home, and you can adjust the spice levels. Whatever you want to put or whatever you want to remove is up to you. So I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy it. And so please do not forget to like, share this video with everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I also welcome all those who are new to this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. For those who are with me, thank you very much. For those who are new, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel so that I will be posting a lot of recipes in the coming days. I do not know what I am going to cook the next, but I am going to come up with a new recipe that you may want to try it. I hope you will enjoy all the recipes that is coming up in the future. And this can be a little spicy, and so you can adjust the spice. So I'm signing off right now from Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you soon. Bye bye.